The heart of India, Delhi, holds the legacy of the generations in art, literature, and architecture, coexisting with the visionary industries aspiring for a prosperous future. Come experience the colorful diversity of India with the pride of nation. Over the last few years, the Indian foundry market has grown at a rate of 5 to 7%, but it is expected to increase multifold over the next few years. Since manufacturing has begun to pick up steadily after COVID and several international dynamics have opened in favor of Indian casting industry. Expo Center is venue of choice for various ministries of the Government of India, statutory corporations, companies, and renowned global agencies. The Indian government's focus on indigenous manufacturing of defense and aerospace industry is an opportunity, a hopeful eye to the future. The location is in close proximity to international airport and railway station. The state-of-the-art multifunctional venue has a rare combination of technologies merged with first-class facilities and safety standards. It is well connected to Delhi's main ring road via an 8-lane highway. Come and enjoy the hospitality with the best cuisine with love and affection at this mega event.
At the 71st IFC and Ifex
2023
at Delhi NCR.